our channel. This is Bindu Vaishnavi. First of all, wishing you a happy new year. May this year brings lots of happiness and lots of positivity to you and your family. So, without any delay, well, it's a new year and it's time for change your mindsets and rewire your life. So I'm going to suggest 3 books which will help you to change your mindset, and these are the books you have to read at least once in your lifetime. So yeah, let's get started. So the first book which I want to suggest, which really helped me emotionally strong, is You Can Heal Your Life by Lois Hay. This book, once I started reading, it's all about affirmations and how positive you can be in your life. Okay, after Tuesdays with Mori, I think this is one of the book which really touched my heart, and I literally read every single book written by this author. She is like an angel sent by God. I can say that. She really changed my life. Through these affirmations, there are lots of positive impacts in me, and the people whoever, see me now, and when they compare me with my past self, they can see that result in me. So, initially I used to think like affirmations are nothing but something shit, and we can't able to, bring that positive in our life. But the way she explained, and I'm not telling that she had experienced only the positive experiences in her life. She had gone through every negative experience in her life, but she only chose to see the positivity in that. I think that's what every person should do in their lives, because we mostly focus on the negative impacts a lot. We just go through, we never watch at the positive intent in any problem. But once you read this book, you're going to change that mindset. Okay, so that was the first book. And the second book is Courage to be Disliked. This book will help you to understand the relation between society and you in a practical way, or some way you could able to understand every single issues in front of you, or in any single problems in front of you in a practical way. And it will be like, okay, I have this problem, okay, I can use the solution for that. It all talks about most of the things mentioned in this book is talks about like Adler's philosophy. All these people were really a great impact during the Great Depression time. I really want you to read this book, because every single one should read this book once in a lifetime. This is the one book. And next one, Who Moved My Cheese, talks about changes which we rarely do in our life, because once the changes comes in our life, or we want to do something new in our lives, something really bad intentions comes in our mind, like, okay, if I do, that will happen, this will happen, that's why I'm not gonna do this and that. Don't listen to that. Never listen to that. Just focus on the present moment and focus on the change. This book will teach you how beautiful a change will be when you just let it come in your life and let that change happens. I did that, and I've seen a positive results in my life. So that's why I'm suggesting you. These are the 3 books which will help you to understand about your mindset and about you. So this new year, make sure to read these books and have positive impact. So that was all about today. Wishing you again a happy new year from CSB's Waken Arts. And this has been the Vaishnavi. See you in the next video. Until then, fill your hearts with that.